ZARA sale is back, and what did you get your hands on? Well, I got myself a pair of suede Chelsea boots and a jacket. In this video, I'm going to show you how to style these brown suede Chelsea boots. Hi, this is Swapnil and you're watching The Classic Dandy. Gentlemen, Chelsea boots are a great pair of boots to have in your wardrobe that can be dressed up or down. A sleek pair of Chelsea boots are a lifesaver. If you have put on an average outfit, a good pair of Chelsea boots can definitely upgrade it. Gentlemen, Chelsea boots are something that is not as casual as hiking boot or trekking boots, and it is not something as formal as a Balmoral or a wingtip brogue boot. So it is something that sits right in between and hence can be dressed up or down. They are great with a pair of jeans and they are great with a pair of suit as well. Gentlemen, in my personal opinion, ZARA makes pretty decent quality Chelsea boots that you can get your hands on. I have made a video previously which you can check right here on the I button. This time I have bought these Chelsea boots in dark brown color in suede. Let's check these out. So gentlemen, these are the Chelsea boots. These are by ZARA and they come in chocolate brown color as well as camel. Now gentlemen, I always yearn for chocolate brown as it is more versatile and can be dressed up or down. You should check out online if these are available, and also camel. If you're someone who likes to dress up casually, you can go for camel as well. Camel is a great color to have in your wardrobe, but in this occasion I chose these. I found them better. Now let's start off with the construction. These Chelsea boots comes with a crepe sole and a white threading work around it. Now gentlemen, crepe sole and white threading work around the shoe gives it a casual appeal, I agree. But as you can see, these boots are pretty sleek, so they can be dressed up as well. I would recommend you to try on with a suit. Now gentlemen, I have always mentioned in my earlier videos as well that the opening of your Chelsea boot should always be snug. If the opening of your Chelsea boot is not snug and it is too wide, your pants or your pair of jeans might sink into it. So always make sure that the opening of your Chelsea boot is always snug. These are pretty snug. I wear a size 42, and if you're buying these online, make sure to buy the correct size. Nothing too big, nothing too small, which will result in the proper size of the opening as well. Now these Chelsea boots comes in pretty decent quality suede, I must say. You can touch and feel it. I wouldn't say that it feels luxurious, but it is something that you can beat around a bit. Gentlemen, the best part about brown suede Chelsea boots is that they can go with any and everything in your existing wardrobe. Whether it's a pair of chino, pair of jeans, or a suit, or even dress pants, these are going to rock your outfit. Gentlemen, I had these boots earlier as well by a brand called Next. I had to get rid of those because they kind of worn out. So I made sure that I have these boots in my wardrobe. Gentlemen, if you take my word, you should have a brown suede Chelsea boots in your wardrobe and you will get rewards for it, trust me. So gentlemen, let's go and check out how to style these ZARA Chelsea boots in 3 outfits. Before we go ahead, let me tell you that all the looks that you see on the video are posted on Instagram as well, along with the reels. So do check out my Instagram, and if you like the content, make sure to follow.
Starting off with the first look, here is how you could pair your brown suede Chelsea boots with your grey suit. Now this particular suit is 3-piece. I'm wearing an odd vest, and this is a tailored suit. As you can see, this is quite slim and slim down the leg as well. But gentlemen, as I mentioned earlier, the opening of the shoe or the mouth of the shoe is pretty snug, and that's how you should keep it, and that's why even these slim fit trousers go down well with these Chelsea boots. So take my advice and make sure that the mouth of the Chelsea boot is always snug. Gentlemen, coming down to the second look, this particular outfit is made out of earth tones. On the top, I'm wearing a printed shirt in green with cam collar, and for my bottoms, I am wearing forest green chinos. to go well with this whole earth tone outfit, I'm wearing my beige casual blazer. Now gentlemen, as you can see, these particular Chelsea boots in suede and that too in dark brown goes really well with this particular outfit because it's all earth tones and earth tones goes well with brown. Gentlemen, if you have leather Chelsea boots instead of suede leather, you can try on that as well. The third and the last outfit is particularly for casual lovers out there. Here I'm wearing a crew neck tee in beautiful navy by Muji, and gentlemen, if you are in an air conditioned environment and you just want an extra layer, you can throw on an overshirt like this. This is a beautiful mauve color overshirt by ZARA. For my bottoms, I'm wearing these white color denims. Now these denims are little wider than your slim fit denims, but as you can see, the brown suede Chelsea boots goes really well with this particular outfit. It is relaxed but it is sharp at the same time, and as you can see, this particular jeans sits really well with these boots.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to leave me comments and let me know what else would you like to watch on the Classic Dandy. And also let me know if there's any particular brand that you want me to make a video on. Gentlemen, if you're someone who's new to this channel, click on this I button to check out my previous videos. If you like the content, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to it and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.